早上好，我想买一些苹果。早上好，苹果1公斤25元，你要几个？我要4个苹果，还有梨。好的，梨1公斤16元，你要几个？我要2个梨，一共多少钱？苹果4个20元，梨2个8元，一共28元。给你100元，找你72元。谢谢，再见。不用谢，请下次再来。早上好，我想买一些苹果。早上好，苹果1公斤25元，你要几个？我要4个苹果，还有梨。好的，梨1公斤16元，你要几个？我要2个梨，一共多少钱？苹果4个20元，梨2个8元，一共28元。给你100元，找你72元。谢谢，再见。不用谢，请下次再来。
There are 12 words about numbers in new HSK1. With these 12 numbers, you can form Chinese numbers from 0 to 999. We will cover how to form these numbers in the following section. We will also cover 2 number-related words
2半
in this video. The other Chinese numbers words
千万亿
are not covered until HSK2. Chinese numbers 0 to 10. Let's go through the numbers one by one.
0
Meaning 0.
1
Meaning 1.
2
Meaning 2.
3
Meaning 3.
4
Meaning 4.
5
Meaning 5.
6
Meaning 6.
7
Meaning 7.
8
Meaning 8.
9
Meaning 9.
10
Meaning 10. Chinese numbers 11 to 99. Numbers from 11 to 99 are formed by first writing the tens digit, 1 to 9, followed by the character
10
and then unit digits. 1 is usually omitted in tens digit for 11 to 19. For example, 11 is written as
11
22 is written as
22
Chinese numbers 100 to 999. Numbers are formed by first writing the hundreds digit, followed by the character
百
and then the tens and unit digits. If there is no tens in a number,
0
is inserted between the hundreds and the unit digits. For example, 100 is written as
100
200 is written as
200
305 is written as
305
268 is written as
268.
Chinese nouns do not have grammatical number, so measure words are used to indicate whether a noun is singular or plural. There are 8 measure words in HSK Level 1 syllabus. Let's go through them one by one.
杯，一杯茶。
1 cup of tea, a cup of team.
本，2本书。
2 books.
个，3个苹果。
3 apples.
家，4家医院。
4 hospitals.
间，5间教室。
5 classrooms.
口，6口人。
A family of 6.
块，7块饼干。
7 cookies.
页，8页纸。
8 pages. When to use
2
and when to use
两
as a general rule, we use
两
with measure words and uses
2
for numbers. For example,
2杯水
means 2 cups of water,
2块钱
means $2. For numbers,
第二名
means second place,
20
means 20. No one will say
20
when used as a noun,
半
means half or a half. It is typically used to refer to a specific quantity that is divided into 2 equal parts. For example,
一半
1 half,
半天
half a day,
半年
half a year.
我吃了半碗饭
I ate half a bowl of rice.
还有半个月考试
There is still half a month until the exam.